In 1911, Thornycroft introduced the J-Type, a 3-ton British truck designed to meet the War Office's subsidy scheme. It quickly became an essential vehicle for the British Empire, with over 5,000 units delivered during and after the First World War. Production ran until 1926, and the J-Type remained in service with the British Army until 1930. Built on a 4x2 chassis, the J-Type was powered by the formidable M4 4-cylinder inline petrol engine, boasting a displacement of 6,256 cubic centimeters and producing 45 brake horsepower at 1,800 revolutions per minute. This side valve engine drove the rear wheels via a reliable 4-speed gearbox plus reverse. This lorry could carry up to 3 long tons and had a sturdy semi-elliptical multi-leaf spring suspension. It measured approximately 6.76 meters in length, 2.21 meters wide, and stood 3.18 meters tall, with a 4.17 meter wheelbase. Its curb weight was around 4.5 long tons. Despite its size, it could reach a maximum speed of about 19 kilometers per hour. Though by modern standards that speed seems slow, the J-Type was reliable and rugged. Thousands of these vehicles served seamlessly through the First World War, including 183 units that were converted into mobile anti-aircraft platforms for the QF 13-pounder gun. These variants proved both practical and popular despite limited cross-country mobility. What truly stood out was how ahead of its time the J-Type was in production and design. Originally developed under the 1911 subsidy scheme, where civilian haulers meeting military standards could be requisitioned for wartime use, the truck combined affordability and versatility. Many civilian fleet operators benefited from grants and could return these lorries for military service if needed. After the war, thousands of surplus J-Types found new lives in commercial fleets, construction, forestry, and agriculture. Thornycroft also improved the truck's performance, eventually increasing engine power to 50 brake horsepower in later models. Its robust frame, generous payload, and reliability made it a favorite with civilian operators as well. Today, a handful of J-Types have survived. One is restored and displayed at the Milestones Museum in Basingstoke. Another is part of the Hampshire Cultural Trust collection, and a third, fitted with a 13-pounder gun, can be seen at the Imperial War Museum. The Thornycroft J-Type may lack modern speed and luxury, but it stands as a testament to early 20th century engineering, a vehicle built for purpose, durability, and adaptability. Its legacy influenced military and commercial truck design across the British Empire for years to come. If you enjoy learning about unique vehicles and the little-known history behind them, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next dive into vintage transport heritage. Let me know in the comments which rare historical model you'd like to explore next.